You know when you go to reheat that leftover piece of lasagna in the microwave? You need a plate to put it on, so you open the cabinet where the plates are stored, but oh no, there's no plates left. So you open the dishwasher next, but then you're faced with a quandary. Is the dishwasher clean or dirty? You take a plate from the dishwasher and inspect it for signs of dirtiness. You notice a speck of detritus along the rim. Did the dishwasher just do a subpar job, or did it not run at all? You take a second plate from the dishwasher to inspect it as well. But wait, just ask your Google Home if the dishwasher is clean or dirty. Hey Google, is the dishwasher clean?
The dishwasher is clean.
Perfect, now you can reheat and enjoy your lasagna. With the Dishes action for the Google Assistant, simply tell your Google Home or other assistant-equipped device when you load or unload the dishwasher. Then, when you or somebody else in your house goes to retrieve a dish, the Google Assistant will be there to let them know either that the dishes are clean or that nobody ran the machine.